Welcome to my in-depth review of OnePageCRM, a cloud-based CRM designed specifically for small businesses and startups. Today, I'll be walking you through its interface, features, and overall user experience to help you decide whether it's the right CRM solution for your business. When you first log in, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard. The interface is minimalistic yet functional, ensuring that even new users can quickly understand how to navigate it. OnePageCRM focuses heavily on sales pipeline management, making it incredibly straightforward to track leads, follow-ups, and completed deals. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find an actionable to-do list that simplifies task prioritization by focusing on what needs immediate attention. One of the standout features of OnePageCRM is its next action philosophy. This approach encourages you to assign a next step for every contact, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Adding or updating tasks is seamless, and you can also assign deadlines or reminders to keep your team on track. If collaboration is a key focus for your business, OnePageCRM offers team task sharing and real-time updates. For users who frequently work on the go, OnePageCRM's mobile app is a game changer. It provides almost all the functionality of the desktop version, allowing you to stay productive no matter where you are. The app syncs in real time, so you don't have to worry about discrepancies between devices. Integrations are another strong point of OnePageCRM. You'll find compatibility with popular tools like Gmail, MailChimp, and Xero, making it easier to connect your CRM with other essential business software. Whether it's email tracking, bulk email campaigns, or invoicing, these integrations save time and streamline your workflow. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to access additional tools and guides that may enhance your business management processes. The reporting and analytics features in OnePageCRM are another highlight. While not overly complex, they provide actionable insights into your sales performance, helping you identify trends and areas for improvement. The reports are customizable, allowing you to focus on the metrics that matter most to your business. Customer support is reliable and responsive. During my experience, their team was quick to resolve queries, whether through live chat or email. OnePageCRM also has a comprehensive knowledge base filled with tutorials and FAQs that make learning the platform even easier. Overall, OnePageCRM excels in simplicity and functionality. It's an excellent choice for small businesses and startups looking for a lightweight yet powerful CRM to manage their sales processes effectively. While it may lack some advanced features found in larger CRM platforms, its focus on ease of use and practical tools makes it a standout option. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tutorials on tools that can boost your business productivity. Thanks for watching.